Version control for engineers is a free Subversion client. It provides an interface to perform the most common revision control operations and focuses on image and document visual diff comparison operations for CAD files and technical drawings. The main audience of this client is mechanical and civil engineers, not software developers. Main SVN functionality: checkout, commit, update, view log, export old revision from history. Internal image comparison for main graphics formats: BMP, GIF, PNG, SVG, PSD, etc., with difference highlight. Microsoft Visio drawing comparison, Visio installation required. Support for DWG and DXF visual comparison via Microsoft Visio. Compass graphic CDW drawings comparison, Compass installation required. Support for Microsoft Word comparison. External diff tools configuration. Can be installed without administrative rights. Can run as a portable application. Catalog, in XML format, for list of repositories. GitHub integration.